Today we're diving into the TensorFlow Playground, a powerful yet simple tool to help you visualize and understand neural networks. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about neural networks, this video is for you. The TensorFlow Playground is an interactive web tool that lets you experiment with neural networks right in your browser. It is designed to help users understand how different neural network architectures and parameters affect model performance, all without needing any coding knowledge. The interface is simple and intuitive. On the left, you'll see the input features you can select. In the center, there's a neural network structure, where you can adjust the number of layers and neurons. To the right, you can modify parameters like learning rate, activation function, and regularization. As you adjust the settings, TensorFlow Playground visualizes how neural network classifies data points in real time. This helps you see how changes to parameters, such as number of hidden layers or learning rate, impact the network's ability to learn and generalize. Learning rate controls how much the model's weights are adjusted with respect to the loss gradient. Activation functions change the way neurons process inputs, impacting the network's ability to capture non-linear relationship. Regularization helps prevent overfitting by penalizing large weights, leading to a simpler model. This tool is perfect for those who want to get a hands-on understanding of how neural networks work without diving deep into the math or code. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!